Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of cooking with apples, a true American favorite. Whether you're using crisp Granny Smiths or sweet Honey Crisps, apples are incredibly versatile and can elevate any dish. Let's start with the classic, apple pie. Begin by peeling and slicing your apples, then toss them with a sprinkle of cinnamon and sugar. This simple mix brings out their natural sweetness and creates that warm, comforting flavor we all love. If you're looking for something a bit different, try making a savory apple and cheddar grilled cheese. Just layer thin apple slices with sharp cheddar between two slices of your favorite bread and grill until golden brown. The combination of sweet and savory is simply irresistible. Remember, cooking with apples is not just about the recipes. It's about creating memories in the kitchen. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow for more delicious ideas. Happy cooking!